Welcome to Titans Tonight. I'm Nia Jones.
And I'm Colin Costigan.
We're here with all the latest news in pop culture.
This is what happens when the dress code is professional with a call time at night. Stick around to hear hot topics from Lucas. In September 2025, 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez was discovered in an abandoned Tesla truck belonging to popular singer David. Speculation quickly followed as connections between musical content and her death were made. David was arrested and has been charged with first-degree murder, lewd acts with a minor, and more. Although David has pleaded not guilty, 4 terabytes of child pornography have been found in his possession. It is a heartbreaking situation for fans of the singer and the Hernandez family who reported her missing back in April 2024. Her parents released their first public statement for the case, saying, quote, "We love her very much, and she always told us that she loved us. We miss her deeply. All we want is justice for Celeste," end quote. Our hearts go out to the Hernandez family. On another note, we have a more upbeat story revolving around new music.
Ladies, get your beachy, vibrant Y2K fits ready for Midnight Summer. Zara Larsson released Midnight Sun, Girls Trip on May 1st. The deluxe album features a total of 10 reworked songs from her Midnight Sun album, along with some new music. With a symphony of all-female collaborators, Girls Trip will be accompanied with Pink Panthers, Shakira, Tyla, Madison Beer, Kalani, and much more. Larsson shared a clip on social media of her at a gas station where she selects personalized keychains with the name of each artist featured in the album. She captioned the clip, quote, "I am so honored and excited for this. And you know what's crazy? This is just the beginning of Girls Trip. Like, hello, this summer is gonna be madness." Can't wait to see you in the waves, Colin.
I can't wait to try to tan instead just burn and peel the entire summer.
I will make sure to pack some SPF for you.
Well, that's all the stories we have for you tonight. I'm Colin Costigan.
And I'm Nia Jones. Off to Lucas for Hot Topics.
Welcome to Hot Topics. I'm Lucas Benitez Lopez. Today we have a very special guest, Vice President of Cal State Fullerton's Tabletop Club, Andre Cabanilla. It's good to have you on the show.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Alrighty. We have a game in front of us. Would you like to tell us about this game?
This is a really nice and simple game. It's called Lacuna. Basically, you are trying to connect lines of flowers and trying to be the person with the most of 4 different colors. Outside of that, we are playing with these little pawns right here. The goal is to sort of have an uninterrupted line. Say, for example, if I have these 2 red ones right here, I place them right in the middle, I pick up 2 reds.
Let's start. You want to go first? Or
Absolutely. Let's see here. I already grabbed the extra piece.
Alrighty.
Here we go.
Okay. So, how long have you been Vice President for?
I've been on board for about 2 years, but I've been VP for 1.
Can you explain what a tabletop game is?
It's basically any game where it's supposed to be played on a table. This can be something simple like Uno, Scrabble. It can be more complex like Lacuna.
Oh, wait. I can do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
then I can pick which ones I want. Except for these.
Sounds good.
Alrighty.
Let's go with this one right here.
So what kind of community is being built through this club, and what do you love most about it?
I think my favorite part about it is honestly like the people you get to hang out with. You get to see a lot of really cool interests, and I got a lot of people that got to show me their cool interests.
Are there gamers of all levels, like from beginners to experts in your club?
Yeah, we definitely have a lot of expert players. I would say that I'm a little bit of a sweat myself, but we are very beginner friendly.
Where and when do you guys hold meetings?
We usually hold meetings Mondays, Wednesdays. We also do club socials on Fridays. Most of the time we're gonna be downstairs in TSU, right across from the bowling alley.
Do you have a favorite game?
I prefer to do like longer form games. I've definitely had games that take 5 or so hours, so they're a lot of fun, but take a lot out of you.
Alrighty, that's
all right. That is your last one, so we're just now gonna choose basically who's closest to what. You basically have this whole edge to yourself, so these are all yours. Likewise, I kind of have this whole edge to myself. All right, let's total up. I think I'm short. I think you actually won this one.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you won.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I redeemed myself from our previous game.
Nice.
Holy smokes.
No, this one is actually really fun. I think like, not to like look at the label, I think it's like $10 or so, but like super fun to play.
Wow. Thank you to Tabletop Club and thank you to Andre for joining us on the show tonight. Make sure to pop into a meeting Monday or Wednesday at the TSU. Join their Discord and follow their Instagram for more. See you all next time on Titans Tonight.